Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar Role Model. Been with us before, released album lately, and yeah, perhaps we'll see into this album a little bit more, but I start with this song I thought was very fun to play and to watch the music video on the Scumbag song. Alright, so it's a Scumbag and he really enjoys it actually, so seems like it. Anyway, let's take a look at this song. It's very easy, guys. 3 chords without any capo, and yeah, it goes like that in the same way through the entire song. So we're gonna start with the chords. We have C, G, and D to look at. So starting with C, it goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's the first chord. G next, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And the final chord is D. And that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so that's a chord progression. Now we're going to look into the strumming, and yeah, starting with C, we need to look at each and every chord here. So the first 2 chords are played in the same way. So C goes down, down, up, like this. So 2 downs first, and then short pause, and then up, down, up. If you can separate between the first 2 downs, it's good, in the way that you play the first down a little bit more on the bass strings, and the second down a little bit on the higher strings down here. If you can do that, that's great. It gives you a better effect to the strumming. So, and then you continue with the up, down, up on the higher strings. So, like this, right? The next chord, G, is played in the exact same way when it comes to strumming. So grab the G and you're gonna do down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so first 2 chords. Okay, and then you have the final chord, the D. It goes like this. So it starts in the same way. It's down, down, up, down, up. Then you have a short pause, and then comes down, and a short pause, and then up, down, up. So you play in the same way as C and G, and then you have a short pause after that, up, down, up, and then you go with down, a short pause, and then up, down, up again. And that's the end of it. So the D will be okay, so that's it, guys. We have C, we have G, and D. You're gonna play that through the entire song. A couple of rounds goes like this. Alright guys, I like this song, hope you did it as well, and if it was helpful this tutorial, let me know, give me a like, subscribe, even better, and see you soon. Take care, play tuned.